good old pyramids. In third place was Henry Merker, but he's not here.
I'm going to take it. Thank you very much.
He had an average of 12.45 seconds. Second place was Tim Reynolds, with an average of 11.53. Who I believe had the North American record for single solve for a couple of minutes and then it was gone. 20 seconds, he says. First place was Siraj Ali with an average of 9.26 seconds, and I believe the North American single record? Yes. Congratulations to our Pyramids winners. For the Master Magic, in third place was the smaller Bob, it says. That would be me. Very funny, Tyson. In second place, with an average of 3.44, was Tim Reynolds. And in first place, with an average of 2.57 seconds, was Sam Boyles. Tim, where the hell are you going? I didn't say you could leave. Turn around, guys. Congratulations, Master Magic winners. You guys can go. In third place for the Magic was Tim Reynolds with an average of 1.84 seconds, but a single solve of 1.06. In second place with an average of 1.47 was Jules Manalang. Where is Jules? Not here. I'll keep your medal. And in first place with an average of 1.33 seconds was me. Yeah. This one actually says Bob Burton. Thanks, Tyson. Oh, it's for the 3x3 Magic. For the 4x4 blindfold, congratulations to Jason Baum, Patrick Jameson, and Tim Reynolds for a combined first place of DNF. Sorry, we have no medals for that. For the 4x4 speed solve, in third place, who almost made the nice cutoff of 1 minute 15 in their first two solves, was, I'm going to get this name wrong all day, Lapari Sassinen? Was it right that time? Averaging 130.09. Stay here. Thank you. In second place was Patrick Jameson with an average of 104.29 seconds. And in first place with an average of 101.65 was Jason Baum. Congratulations to the 4x4 Speedsters. The 2x2 was close. In third place, losing to second place by 0.02 seconds, was Alexander Yu with an average of 6.24. Stay here, please. Thank you. In second place, with that 6.22 seconds, was Sam Boyles.